All right, everybody, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, go down and click that subscribe button if you don't mind. Be much appreciated, me just starting out my new channel. But we got the Instant Pot, we got some country style beef ribs here. Actually, they're not really ribs, but that's what they call them. Like I said, I got about 6 pounds, and they're still starting to come apart a little bit. So they're still frozen pretty much. That's all right. We're just going to go ahead and throw those in the pot. Let's get this out of the way real quick. This will be a great, nice, easy meal you can make anytime, even if it is frozen. You're only going to need a few things. You're going to need probably about 3/4 of a teaspoon of your favorite beef rub, whatever you want. I'm just going to use this all-purpose pink Himalayan SPG rub by McCormick's. We're just going to go ahead and get that thrown out onto here first. Make sure you get some good flavor on them. Next thing, some barbecue sauce. This is just some cheap open pit hickory. And we are going to want 3/4 of a cup of this. Let me take a look here. Where's 3/4? There's 3/4. So 3/4 a cup of the barbecue sauce. We're just gonna pour it over the top of these ribs here real good. I think this will turn out pretty good. Okay, then we want 1 1/4 cup of some Coke. All I have was some Coke Zero in these little short cans, so let's see if I can get enough for 1 1/4 cups here. If just one of these will do it, or if I'll have to use 2 of them. Okay, so that's 1 cup. Open up another one. 1 1/4 cup, almost there. Gotta watch for the fizz. Alrighty. And what we're gonna do, just pour that back in here. That Coke will help tenderize it up as it's cooking. Should be pretty good here. Now, let's get the top on it. Put it on right here. There we go. All right. It's already sealed up. We're going to do, and we're going to put this on pressure cook. We want it on high. And we're going to set it down to 41. Let's go right at 40 minutes. Hit start. Okay, we're gonna let this go. Once it's done with its main pressure cooking itself, we're gonna let it do a natural release for about 15 minutes, and then steam it out. Pull these out and see how good they are, and have some great dinner. See you then. All right, everybody, we have finished our 40 minutes, and it has been slow releasing for just a little over 15 minutes, about 16 minutes now. Let's go and let the pressure off of here, check them out, and see how they're looking. All right, it's depressurized. The pin on the back here is dropped down. So let's open these up, see what we got. We're gonna have a lot of water come off of here. Let me get this set to the side real quick. All right. Oh man, these things are looking good, folks. I am working on it. I'm gonna try to figure out how to get me an overhead camera so we can get some better shots down in the pot. So hopefully by the next time I start filming. But oh, these are good and tender. Cooked all the way through. So we're gonna pull these out of here. Let them rest for a little bit and get cooled down. And then we'll get them plated up, and we'll give them a taste test. So we'll see you when we're ready to start tasting them. Look at there, it's just falling apart as I'm pulling them out. So back in a few minutes, get these all fixed up. All right, everybody, we got it plated up here. Got some mac and cheese, some rice. Got the beef ribs out. Add a little bit more of that hickory barbecue sauce I used earlier. But look at these. These are just pull apart. Probably don't even need a knife with them. But, oh man. Let's give this a, oh, if I can keep it on my fork here. Try to give this a taste test. It's real super hot. Oh man. That is tasting super good, folks. Super quick, easy meal you can make in your Instant Pot. Took about, let's see, 40 minutes, another 15 minutes. So a little over an hour. Makes a great dinner. Got plenty of it. And remember, if you haven't yet, go down and click that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next video. And hopefully I'll have an overhead camera for the Instant Pot by then if I can get it figured out. So we'll see you later.